Hurricane Irma. This is from Sarasota, Florida. We're about 3.5 hours out from a direct hit, and we already have some very serious gusts. We have trees down already. Oh, a little break right there. I am pretty confident that this tree will be going down. We already have some flooding. Amazing. Incredible. I can imagine we're 3 hours out from the direct hit that we're supposed to get here in Sarasota Bay, and it's already ridiculous. Trees down on the side. At least we're all boarded up. As safe as we can be. To all other Floridians, toughen this out. God bless you and prayers be with you. Stay safe. Hashtag go away, Irma.